large BoomBox. It's my son, he's going to use it in in his school, I don't know really. But the plan is to use one of the leftover cells from the burn 48 volt pack, a small DC series motor. It's a rear end from the lawnmover, and also I'm going to use the functioning part of this chargery BMS. It's the first 8 cells of this is still functioning, so I'm going to use that. And I also ordered some amplifier from Banggood, I think it was, this small amplifier, and it's worked with this 6S battery. So that's the plan. Yes, it's going to be like a packmoppe, as we say in Sweden. Okay, now the rear end of the frame is finished. We have the bearings for the steering, and now we're going to build the front frame for the speaker, and some mountings for the motor, and also some for the seatings. And then we're going to reuse the old box for the 48 volt battery pack. Now the front end is also finished, and now you can see how we can steer it, and also how this big speaker is supposed to fit like that. This is going to be a BoomBox machine. Well, now we've done the fixings for the motors, and put the steering rod gear in place, and also prepared for seating. And here I'm going to try to put the battery box and all the electronics as the controller and everything. But now you can see how things is supposed to work. Okay, now we've done some wiring. We put all the electronics into the old 48 volt battery box, and everything is connected and it works. You have to turn on the BMS of this, and we put the main switch here, like that, and then we have the gas. Now we're working with a transmission. We have to replace the sprocket because the teething was wrong. It was the wrong size on the teeth. And here we have the big woofer. It's 15-inch, and here are the 2 tweeters. So we're going to have one woofer and 2 tweeters. And here we have the rat hole with the battery pack. Here we have the big speaker box. And here is the amplifier. It's 3-way. We are planning to use one channel for the woofer, and one each for the 2 tweeters. And here we have the sprocket. We have to do some adjustment. I didn't have the correct size, and this was also a cone. It was not straight, the hole, so we have to weld it and try to get it in center. Now it's time for the first test run. The speaker is in place, everything is connected, and we also made the transmission finished, and now we're gonna test how fast this runs. We're not sure about if we need brakes or not, so we're gonna just test it first, and then if we maybe need to fix some brakes. Well, I didn't think we needed a brake, but it was a bit too fast. So we built this easy handbrake, just a piece of plate and the bolt as a joined, and then just put this into the tire. It will be a bit tighter when I tie the bolt there. Well, now everything is welded, and it's time to tear it apart and do some grinding, and then it will be finished for some painting. It's getting paint, gray, should be nice. Just wet paint. Now I'm doing some assembling, painting the wheels, and also cleaning up all the parts. And we're gonna make some adjustments to the electric stuff also. Finally it's finished. We made some adjustments to the controller so it's only half speed. And then we installed a small switch here. So you can't, if a person accidentally turn on the gas, it won't work until this switch is activated. Yes. Now we're going to try it outside. Funkar.